Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. It's Jamal Browner. Today we have a top triple on squat. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So, a couple things have changed since last time we've lifted, since pre-comp. I'm in the off season right now. This is the most important off season so far because I'm trying to get really strong and compete at a higher level next time I compete. So, there's a couple things that happened that are really good. The first thing is that my training sessions got pushed over a day. So moving forward, my primary squat, my primary deadlift is lining up with Sean, which is sick. Because ever since I moved to Houston, I'm like, oh, it'll be sick to train with Sean. But Nori's days were just like one day off compared to Flex's. So now we're linked up, which is sick. And it happened by accident because after I competed, I told Nori that I'm ready to start right away. We took one rest day, and we got back on Tuesday, so then moving forward, everything shifted, which is sick. Today, we're doing quads on squat. My heaviest quad ever is gonna be taken today, which is setting me up for a humongous set of 4 next week in the 600s. Like something that it's not 606, not 611, it's heavy for 4, so it's gonna be sick. But yeah, I feel good. I was just in Florida, I just drove back a few days ago, which kind of sucked. My body's feeling all right though, so we're gonna jump right into it. And I think I'm gonna be mic'd up, so let's go. All right, fueling today's workout is the sour cherry from my protein. I feel like I might just take half scoop now, take half scoop after we're like halfway through warm-ups, because I wanna have a nice gradual increase of caffeine. Code Ven if you want to squat 700 pounds, even though I can't yet. Code Jamal. Code Jamal if you only want to have a strong deadlift. That's what I need is large. That's sick. We can do that, but then you get a next week to get maybe bits of stuff.
Yeah, I think today,
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. It's Jamal Browner. Today we have a top triple on squat. I know, but it's like my thing now that I'm always Jamal Browner. Today we got heavy triple on squat, aiming for anywhere between 749 pounds to 771 pounds. Then after that, we're gonna pull 2,000 pounds, and then after that, bench 496 for a triple. We got the Gymshark sale coming. The summer sale is coming up. You guys can use code Jamal or code Ven to save 100% on your order. And 50 kilos on the total when you use code Ven at checkout. And then my protein is dropping a flavor as well that, shit, man, I don't even know. But thank you.
sounds good.
I appreciate it, dude. I appreciate the opportunity. go. Okay, go.
More. Up.
Go.
Power.
Woo! All right. 584 for 4. That was pretty chill. I think if I could like if I had to mentally prepare for 7 there, I could have gone 7. You know, so I like that. That was the most I've done. That was the heaviest 4 I've ever done. I think before that, probably the heaviest 4 I've ever done was like 540 or like 545 or something. So let's go. Oh! Dude,
Body's broken today.
my body is destroyed. Felt like 380 instead of 280.
Wow, my man.
Wait, so you don't use wrist wraps at all, right?
I do.
You said fuck it.
Yeah.
It's one of those sessions, bro, where like, I don't know what's going on, man. No, I stopped using it on bench for some reason. I like it. Hey, if you like it, I don't know. Do it. I feel like I would die without using wrist wraps. I don't know. I just couldn't tell you why, but it feels good. Listen, man. There's no need to explain it, okay?
Yeah,
some things don't need to be explained. I agree. We'll just go 4 green and then clip. So 240. All right, so 463, last set of 5. It was a little bit harder to like fully lock in today, but I think part of the reason is that my body's dehydrated. So I'm gonna take note of that and not go to the golf range the night before next week. Because I probably sweated out a whole gallon of water. Even though I try to hydrate myself, sometimes your body just doesn't do it. So we're gonna get through this and then we're gonna bench. Like, yeah, I just like, man, I just might get a refund to school and it'll be shit like that. Like just talking shit in my Discord. And I just added them. I'm like, if you want a refund, let me know. And like, I did like, it's out of my control. I'm doing everything that's in my control to rectify the situation. But like, yeah, he's like crazy. No. Yourself and Joe, while I was looking through, they made up a story about how I was looking to send all my first second like door videos. I sent up one door video with those good. Okay, let's see what we got today. So we're gonna do 135, so 286 for 4, and then we're gonna go 303 for 4. That's it. Okay. Now I'll do, what is that? Is it 303 technically? Yeah. 303 for the top, a 4, and I'll be chill there. Nice. We're gonna close grip. We're gonna close grip 314 for 4 at like RPE, maybe like 7.5 next week. It'll be fun. This right here is Not Worker. So I have a good friend named Sean, and he started a brand called Worker, and I created a different brand called Not Worker. No, I'm kidding. This is Sean's shit. It's pretty cool. Just picked it up today. But yeah, we got dips left. We finished close grip bench. I overshot a little bit in the working sets, but I'm also supersetting it with dips, which is stupid. But I've been here since 11 o'clock. It is 2:38. We're almost getting to 4 hours for this session. It's bad. Last set of dips, 7 reps, 110 pounds on the belt. Let's do that. Finish with some upright rows and get out of here. Hate dips. It's one of those days where you just hate everything about lifting. You're like, why do I even lift? Is this even worth pursuing, you know? I could have been normal. But no, let's try to squat 700 plus pounds.
That's gonna get you the best goal. Even if it's like, I don't know, because we know when you feel good, you can talk 45 like it might work. But yeah, it sucks to like have the mentality like, I'm gonna come into the gym and hit 485 easier than I did last time, and not be able to do it. But it happens. There was a time where I was trying to pull 660 in here. And 600 work beat.
When I was in Florida, I was playing beach volleyball, and I was hitting some balls. Now, I used to play year round, so I know how to play, but I'd get surgery on the shoulder. Back in the day, you can see the marks, right? But unfortunately, because of my issues in my shoulder, I actually have atrophy in my front delt right here. So you see like there's like a cavity right here versus my strong normal shoulder. It's filled out. So I'm kind of weak. And like if you push down on my arm here, I'm kind of weak, which is kind of funny because I'm a powerlifter and I gotta like lift heavy weight. Anyways, where it really affects me is if I'm doing something overhand. So that's what you do in volleyball, right? And I can't play anymore because if I do, my arm is like, I'm handicapped for the next month. So I'm in pain. But yeah, it doesn't really affect me where I bench, but it does hurt. So I gotta stop doing that. That's it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Oh man, all right. That concludes the workout. Appreciate for all you guys that made it this far in the video. Let's aim to get, now I never say this, but I was looking at my analytics on YouTube, and we always kind of finish around like 130 likes. So let's get 150 on this video. I think that's a good goal, just 20 more likes. So it's not hard to do, but it means a lot to me, it helps me a lot. That being said, if you guys get anything from Gymshark code VEN or My Protein code VEN, that's a huge support to me. But yeah, until next one, peace.